Welcome back, and let's begin with the third session of week 10, that is Major Convention Centers and Conferences in India, a comparative analysis of infrastructure. We will be discussing about Pragati Maidan, Bombay Exhibition Center, Bangalore International Exhibition Center, Hyderabad International Convention Center, Chennai Trade Center, the facilities at all these places, and the role of architecture and design in enhancing the attendee experience before concluding. Introduction. Convention centers and conferences in India stand as vital catalysts for fostering economic growth, facilitating industry collaborations, and promoting knowledge exchange. In this comprehensive analysis, we will delve into the infrastructure of some major convention centers across the country, aiming to provide a comparative study to understand their facilities, technological advancements, and overall capacity. One of the prominent convention centers is the Pragati Maidan in New Delhi, a sprawling venue with a rich history of hosting national and international events. Equipped with state-of-the-art facilities, Pragati Maidan offers extensive exhibition spaces, meeting halls, and technological amenities, making it a preferred choice for diverse conferences. In Mumbai, the Bombay Exhibition Center is another key player in the convention landscape. With its modern infrastructure and expansive exhibition halls, BEC has become a hub for industry-specific gatherings, trade shows, and conferences. Technological advancements at BEC ensure seamless connectivity and accessibility for both physical and virtual participants. Moving south, the Hyderabad International Convention Center, the HICC, has emerged as a premier venue for conferences. Known for its world-class facilities and cutting-edge technology, HICC has been a host to numerous global events, fostering collaborations in sectors ranging from technology to pharmaceuticals. The comparative analysis of these convention centers underscores the diversity and capabilities present within India's conference landscape. Each venue brings its unique strengths to the table, contributing to the nation's stature as a host for impactful and transformative events. As India continues to evolve as a global player, the role of its convention centers in driving economic growth and knowledge dissemination becomes increasingly evident. Pragati Maidan, New Delhi. Pragati Maidan, located in the heart of New Delhi, stands as one of the oldest and most iconic convention centers in India. Infrastructure. The infrastructure of Pragati Maidan is characterized by its expansive exhibition halls, well-equipped conference rooms, and a strategic layout that accommodates a diverse range of events simultaneously. The venue has witnessed numerous national and international exhibitions, trade fairs, and conferences, showcasing its adaptability to varying requirements. Historical significance. One of the standout features of Pragati Maidan is its historical significance. The complex has undergone multiple renovations to keep pace with modern standards while preserving its cultural and architectural heritage. The integration of modern facilities within a historical context provides Pragati Maidan with a unique charm. Technology. Technologically, Pragati Maidan has embraced advancements, offering state-of-the-art audiovisual equipments, Wi-Fi connectivity, and digital signage systems. The venue's commitment to sustainability is reflected in its efforts to incorporate eco-friendly practices aligning with global trends in responsible event management. Bombay Exhibition Centre, Mumbai. The Bombay Exhibition Centre, situated in Mumbai, is a testament to the city's prominence as an economic and financial hub. Infrastructure. The infrastructure of BEC is characterized by its vast exhibition space comprising multiple halls that can be customized to accommodate events of varying scales. The flexibility of space utilization sets BEC apart, allowing for concurrent exhibitions and conferences. Layout. The layout of BEC is designed to facilitate smooth visitor flow with well-planned entrances and exits. The venue's strategic location near the Chhatrapati Shivaji International Airport enhances accessibility for domestic and international participants, contributing to its popularity as a preferred choice for trade exhibitions and conferences. Technology. Technologically, BEC boasts modern amenities, including advanced lighting and sound systems, making it conducive for hosting events ranging from corporate conferences to product launches and trade expos. The venue's proximity to Mumbai's financial district further adds to its allure for business-centric gatherings. Bangalore International Exhibition Centre at Bengaluru. Bangalore International Exhibition Centre, BIEC, at Bengaluru. BIEC in Bengaluru stands out for its modern and eco-friendly infrastructure. The venue is characterized by its contemporary architecture, spacious exhibition halls, and a commitment to sustainable practices. Layout. The layout of BIEC is designed to maximize natural light, creating an environmentally conscious and energy-efficient space. Infrastructure. The infrastructure of BIEC incorporates advanced technological features, including high-speed internet connectivity, digital display screens, and sophisticated audiovisual systems. These elements contribute to the venue's suitability for hosting technology-focused conferences, product launches, and innovation-driven events. Technology. BIEC's location in the technology hub of Bengaluru aligns with its thematic focus, often attracting events related to IT, biotechnology, and innovation. The venue's commitment to sustainability extends to waste management practices, water conservation initiatives, and the use of renewable energy sources. Hyderabad International Convention Centre, HICC, at Hyderabad. HICC, located in the high-tech city of Hyderabad, boasts a world-class infrastructure tailored for hosting international conferences, conventions, and business events. Features. The venue's design reflects a fusion of modern aesthetics and functional efficiency. Its architecture features spacious halls, well-equipped meeting rooms, and a grand convention hall capable of accommodating a large audience. Technology. The technological infrastructure at HICC is at the forefront of innovation, incorporating advanced audiovisual systems, simultaneous interpretation facilities, and high-speed internet connectivity. The venue's acoustics and lighting are designed to enhance the overall conference experience, catering to the diverse needs of participants. Location. HICC's strategic location in Hyderabad's IT and business district positions it as a preferred destination for conferences related to information technology, pharmaceuticals, and biotechnology. The venue's collaboration with nearby hotels and accommodations ensures convenience for attendees, contributing to the overall success of events hosted at HICC. Chennai Trade Center, Chennai, the infrastructure. The infrastructure of the Chennai Trade Center is characterized by its functional design, spacious exhibition halls, and a layout that accommodates concurrent events. Location. Located in the industrial and manufacturing hub of Chennai, the venue is well suited for conferences and exhibitions related to automotive, engineering, and manufacturing sectors. Technology. The halls at Chennai Trade Center are equipped with modern amenities, including audiovisual facilities, lighting systems, and Wi-Fi connectivity. The venue's flexibility in space utilization allows for the hosting of diverse events ranging from trade shows to international conferences. Features. Chennai Trade Center's proximity to the Chennai International Airport and major industrial zones enhances its accessibility, attracting both national and international participants. The venue's role in supporting the city's industrial growth is reflected in its thematic focus on sectors that contribute significantly to the region's economy. Facilities, seating capacities, and technological amenities. The success of any event often hinges on the meticulous attention given to the facilities, seating capacities, and technological amenities provided by convention centers. These elements collectively shape the environment in which conferences, trade shows, and exhibitions unfold. Convention centers, with versatile and well-equipped facilities, offer organizers the flexibility to tailor the space according to the unique requirements of each event, ensuring a seamless and efficient execution. The adequacy of seating capacities is crucial, not only for accommodating attendees comfortably, but also for fostering an engaging atmosphere. A well-designed seating arrangement contributes to audience participation and enhances the overall experience. Let's delve into the nuanced offerings that make these venues stand out. Facilities. Convention centers are versatile spaces designed to meet a myriad of event requirements. From sprawling exhibition halls that showcase products and innovations to well-equipped conference rooms for discussions and presentations, these venues offer a comprehensive range of facilities. VIP lounges provide a touch of exclusivity for distinguished guests, while business centers cater to the logistical and administrative needs of event organizers. The array of facilities ensure that convention centers serve as dynamic spaces adaptable to diverse event formats. Seating capacities. The flexibility in seating arrangements is a hallmark of convention centers. Whether hosting an intimate seminar or a grand scale convention, these venues provide scalable seating options that can accommodate varying audience sizes. The ability to adjust seating configurations ensures that events of different scales can be seamlessly hosted within the same space. This adaptability is crucial in catering to the diverse needs of organizers and ensuring the comfort and engagement of attendees. Technological amenities. In the contemporary landscape, technological amenities play a pivotal role in elevating the overall event experience. Convention centers, understanding the importance of seamless execution and attendee engagement, prioritize advanced audiovisual systems. These systems enhance presentations, discussions, and product showcases, creating an immersive experience for participants. High-speed Wi-Fi connectivity ensures that attendees can stay connected and engaged throughout the event, facilitating networking and information exchange. Digital signage, another standard feature, serves as an effective means of communication, providing real-time updates and directions within the venue. The integration of these technological amenities not only aligns with the expectations of modern event organizers, but also enhances the overall efficiency and impact of events hosted at convention centers. As technology continues to evolve, these venues remain at the forefront, ensuring that they are equipped with the latest tools and systems to meet the dynamic demands of the events industry. Role of architecture and design in enhancing attendee experience. The impact of architecture and design on the overall attendee experience in convention centers transcends mere aesthetics, playing a pivotal role in creating an environment that fosters engagement, collaboration, and a truly memorable event experience. Thoughtfully designed spaces within convention centers can contribute significantly to the atmosphere, influencing the mood and energy of the gatherings held within. Functional and ergonomic layouts enhance the flow of movement, allowing attendees to navigate seamlessly between sessions, exhibits, and networking areas. Architectural considerations such as acoustics and lighting are instrumental in optimizing the effectiveness of presentations and discussions. Well designed meeting rooms equipped with modern audiovisual technology enhance communication and ensure that attendees can actively participate in the discourse. Additionally, communal spaces designed for networking and social interactions further enrich the overall experience, providing opportunities for meaningful connections to be forged. Beyond practical considerations, the aesthetic appeal of convention center architecture contributes to the ambience and prestige of an event. Striking designs can evoke a sense of inspiration and elevate the overall perception of the gathering. The synergy between architectural elements and the purpose of the event creates an immersive experience for attendees, leaving a lasting impression that extends beyond the specific content of the conference. In a sense, the thoughtful integration of architecture and design in convention centers enhances the overall quality of the attendee experience, making a significant contribution to the success and impact of the events hosted within these spaces. Let's explore the key aspects that highlight the significance of architecture and design in this context. Number one, spatial planning. Thoughtful spatial planning is a cornerstone of effective convention center design. Well-designed spaces facilitate smooth movement, enabling attendees to navigate the venue effortlessly. From the placement of exhibition booths to the arrangement of seating in conference halls, spatial planning directly influences the flow of the event. A strategic layout not only enhances the logistical efficiency of the event, but also promotes organic networking and interactions among attendees. The design should encourage seamless transitions between different areas, ensuring that participants can make the most of their time at the event. Then, ambience and atmosphere. The ambience and atmosphere created by architecture and design play a crucial role in shaping the overall mood of an event. Elements such as lighting, acoustics, and decor contribute to establishing a conducive environment for learning, networking, and collaboration. Well-lit spaces with strategically placed lighting fixtures create an inviting atmosphere, while effective acoustics ensure that presentations and discussions are audible and engaging. Thoughtfully chosen decor elements further enhance the aesthetic appeal, contributing to the overall positive experience of the attendees. Then, innovative designs. Modern convention centers are increasingly incorporating innovative designs that align with the evolving event dynamics. Sustainability has become a focal point, with eco-friendly practices integrated into the architecture. Flexible layouts that can adapt to different event formats are now a standard feature. This adaptability allows convention centers to host a diverse range of events, from trade shows to seminars and conferences. Innovative designs also include the integration of cutting edge technologies such as interactive displays and augmented reality experiences, providing attendees with a more immersive and engaging event experience. The role of architecture and design is not only to create visually appealing spaces, but also to enhance functionality and efficiency. By embracing innovation and incorporating sustainable practices, convention centers contribute to a more dynamic and forward looking events industry. Conclusion. In conclusion, the major convention centers in India exhibit diverse yet purposeful infrastructure, tailored to meet the varied needs of events across different industries. Pragati Maidan, with its historical significance and adaptability, contrasts with the vast and flexible exhibition space offered by the Bombay Exhibition Centre. The Bangalore International Exhibition Centre combines modernity with sustainability, reflecting Bengaluru's technological focus, while the Hyderabad International Convention Centre boasts world-class facilities in the IT and business hub of Hyderabad. Chennai Trade Center's functional design aligns with its industrial surroundings, emphasizing the importance of thematic relevance in venue infrastructure. The comparative analysis highlights the unique strengths and capabilities of each convention center, showcasing India's ability to provide diverse and world-class facilities for hosting conferences and exhibitions. As these venues continue to evolve in tandem with global standards, they contribute significantly to India's position as a preferred destination for international events, fostering economic growth and industry collaborations.